Imagine landing in a new country, no tour guide, no pre-booked itinerary, no hours wasted scrolling through blogs, and yet, everything just works. Your hotel is perfectly suited to your taste, your meals match your dietary preferences, your daily plans adjust in real time based on weather, crowds, and even your mood. Sounds futuristic? It's not. This is happening right now, and it's powered by AI agents. Welcome to a world where travel planning is being completely redefined. In today's video, we're diving into how AI agents are quietly replacing traditional tour guides, and what that means for travelers like you. For decades, travel planning has followed a familiar pattern. You either spend countless hours researching destinations, comparing hotels, building itineraries, and still worrying if you missed something important, or you rely on travel agencies and tour guides to handle everything for you. While guides bring expertise and local knowledge, they often come with rigid schedules, higher costs, and limited personalization. You follow a group, stick to fixed timings, and sometimes end up visiting places that don't even interest you. But now, AI is flipping that entire experience on its head. At the center of this shift are AI agents, intelligent systems designed to act on your behalf. These aren't just simple chatbots answering questions. They can understand your preferences, learn from your behavior, make decisions, and execute tasks in real time. Think of them as your personal travel assistant, planner, and guide, all rolled into one. Companies like Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft are heavily investing in these AI-driven systems, integrating them into everyday tools people already use. What's fascinating is how seamlessly these agents are blending into travel experiences. Let's say you're planning a trip to Paris. Instead of opening 10 different tabs, your AI agent asks you a few simple questions: your budget, interests, travel style, and even how adventurous you feel. Within seconds, it builds a complete itinerary tailored specifically to you. Not a generic plan, but something dynamic and personal. And it doesn't stop there. As your trip begins, the AI continues to work in the background. If it starts raining, your outdoor plans are instantly swapped for indoor experiences. If a museum is overcrowded, it reschedules your visit to a better time. If you suddenly feel like exploring something new, it adapts on the spot. This is where AI agents go beyond traditional tour guides. A human guide might have deep knowledge, but they can't constantly analyze real-time data like traffic conditions, weather changes, crowd density, or last-minute deals. AI can, and it does it instantly. Another powerful advantage is hyper-personalization. Traditional tours are built for groups, which means compromise. But AI agents create experiences built entirely around you. Love street food? Your itinerary leans into local food markets and hidden gems. Prefer history? It prioritizes museums and heritage sites. Traveling solo? It factors in safety and social opportunities. And here's something even more exciting: AI agents are becoming proactive. Instead of waiting for you to ask, they anticipate your needs. Imagine your AI suggesting a quieter cafe because it knows you usually prefer calm environments in the evening. Or recommending a scenic route back to your hotel because it senses you enjoy photography. This level of intuition is what makes AI feel less like a tool and more like a companion. Now, you might be wondering, does this mean tour guides are becoming obsolete? Not exactly, but their role is definitely evolving. AI excels at data, efficiency, and personalization at scale. But human guides offer something different: storytelling, emotional connection, and cultural nuance. However, as AI agents continue to improve, even these areas are starting to blur. With advancements in voice interaction and augmented reality, AI can now narrate historical stories, provide context, and even simulate guided tours in immersive ways. Platforms are already experimenting with AI-powered audio guides that adapt based on your pace and interests. Instead of following a group, you explore at your own speed while your AI guide speaks directly to you, almost like having a private expert by your side. And let's talk about cost. Hiring a personal tour guide can be expensive, especially for longer trips. AI agents, on the other hand, are often integrated into apps or services you're already using, making them far more accessible. This democratizes high-quality travel planning, allowing more people to experience personalized travel without breaking the bank. But with all these advantages, there are also important questions. Can AI truly replace the human touch? What happens to the millions of people working in the tourism industry? And are we ready to trust machines with something as personal as our travel experiences? These are exactly the questions we'll explore as we go deeper into this topic. Because this isn't just about convenience, it's about a fundamental shift in how we experience the world. And the truth is, we're only just getting started. As exciting as all of this sounds, there's a side of this transformation that we can't ignore, and it's where things get really interesting. Because when AI agents begin to take over something as human-centered as travel, it doesn't just change convenience, it changes the entire ecosystem. Let's start with the biggest concern: jobs. Tour guides, travel planners, and even small local agencies have traditionally relied on human interaction as their biggest strength. But now, AI can replicate many of their core functions faster, cheaper, and at a much larger scale. A single AI agent can serve millions of travelers at once, without fatigue, without language barriers, and without scheduling limitations. That doesn't mean these roles disappear overnight, but it does mean they need to evolve. Instead of simply providing information, future tour guides may focus more on creating unique, deeply human experiences, things AI still struggles to fully replicate. Think storytelling that feels alive, cultural insights shaped by personal history, or spontaneous interactions that create unforgettable memories. In a world of AI efficiency, authenticity becomes a premium. Now let's talk about trust. Handing over your entire travel experience to an AI sounds convenient, but it also raises a critical question: how much control are you willing to give up? AI agents rely heavily on data. Your preferences, habits, location, past bookings, even your behavior patterns. All of this feeds into how the system makes decisions for you. Companies like Airbnb and Booking.com are already using AI to personalize recommendations, and this is only going to deepen as AI agents become more autonomous. But with that comes concerns about privacy and data security. What if your AI prioritizes sponsored locations over genuinely better experiences? What if algorithms subtly influence your choices without you realizing it? These are real risks, and they highlight the importance of transparency in how these systems operate. Then there's another layer: decision fatigue versus decision control. On one hand, AI removes the stress of planning. No more overthinking, no more endless comparisons. But on the other hand, some travelers actually enjoy the process of discovering places on their own. The randomness, the surprises, the mistakes, they're all part of the journey. If AI optimizes everything, do we lose a bit of that magic? It's a fascinating trade-off. Perfect efficiency versus imperfect adventure. And this is where the future of travel likely finds its balance, not in replacing humans entirely, but in blending AI with human choice. Imagine this hybrid experience. Your AI agent handles the heavy lifting, planning routes, booking hotels, optimizing schedules, while you still have the freedom to override, explore, and make spontaneous decisions. It's not about removing control, but enhancing it. We're already seeing early versions of this. AI-powered assistants integrated into apps can suggest, adjust, and guide, but the final decision always remains yours. And that balance is crucial. Looking ahead, the next evolution is even more immersive. With technologies like augmented reality and wearable devices, AI agents could guide you visually through a city. Imagine walking through ancient ruins while your AI overlays historical reconstructions in real time, or exploring a street market while getting instant translations, cultural tips, and food recommendations directly in your field of view. Companies like Apple and Meta are already investing heavily in spatial computing and AR experiences, which means your future tour guide might not just be in your phone, it could be all around you. And here's the most powerful shift of all: travel becomes deeply personal. Not just in terms of preferences, but in how experiences are shaped moment by moment. Two people visiting the same city might have completely different journeys, guided by their own AI agents, each one crafting a story unique to them. Travel stops being a standardized package, and becomes a living, evolving experience. So, are we witnessing the end of travel planning? Not exactly. What we're really seeing is the end of traditional, one-size-fits-all planning, and the beginning of something far more dynamic. AI agents aren't just replacing tour guides, they're redefining what it means to explore the world. But the real question is, how will you choose to travel in this new era? Will you embrace the ease, the personalization, and the power of AI? Or will you hold on to the unpredictability and human touch of traditional travel? Maybe the best answer lies somewhere in between. Because at the end of the day, technology can guide your journey, But the experience, the memories, and the meaning, those are still yours to create. And that's what makes travel timeless, no matter how advanced the world becomes.